time I don't want to add in everything. I don't much add everything in everything potatoes. So in this I'm not adding potatoes. Many more veggies you can add, but I don't have any veggies right now. So I'm adding this only, friends. Leave me for that. The rice is so well done. See. Ginger garlic paste I'm not adding, but I'm going to add it now because all the paste is done, so I will not just want this. Before adding the rice, I'll add the ginger garlic paste, friends. So coming soon. Ready paste. So I'll add the ready paste, friends. Just to go off, not mix everything, and then I'll simmer it. Your steak is done. Now I will add the rice. Very beautiful aroma is coming, and the rice is so fluffy. It has not stuck or anything. Well done. So friends, do try at home. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Hope you like my video.